Wow! So many things, man. I can't believe this. We got good deals today, guys. Good deals. Hi! What's going on? Hey, you know what? Today I walked into a grocery store with the intent of nothing. Just wanted to observe. It was nearby where I was running some errands. On foot again, always. I don't know how many other guys do retail arbitrage. Guys meaning in general, women too, obviously. People do it on public transportation. Yeah, it's tough, but you know what? It makes it an adventure. It really does. I enjoy it. I really get, I don't call me sick, but I really kind of like struggling with it, you know? It's like, okay, how am I going to manage this? Because you know what it does? It allows me to watch my budget. Maximize my profits because I got to think, okay, I got to carry it. And how am I going to carry it? Well, I got a backpack. I got the Black Ops picker bag right here. Okay, and then we had some plastic that we wrapped them in today because it's raining outside. I barely made it home, man. It's kind of cold today too with that rain. So anyway, we got the 12 books. 2 of them are going to go to my daughter. And then the other ones I'm going to put on Amazon. Now, I did mention in episode 51 I was going to do FBA. I don't know, man. I don't know. I get worried. You know, I'd rather just, like if these don't sell, they only cost me, I think the most expensive book was $1.75. You know, if I don't sell it in a certain amount of time, donate it. Move on. So the way I see it is I'm going to spend more money to ship it out to Amazon. Granted, it's lesser than what I would normally do if it was going to a customer. Then if it doesn't sell within 6 or 12 months or whatever it is, Amazon's going to send me a reminder and say, hey, Bob. I don't know what. Hey, Bob. Hey, book boy. Do you want us to send this back or you want us to destroy it? We'll charge you. And I'm like, yeah, I don't know. Let me think about it. No, I'm not going to go that route. So we are going to go through these. Now, I picked these books that we have here. I kind of got a little bit of a theme on some of the stuff that I want. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is I bought these merely on reviews. Okay, and in connection with that, how much profit? So then if there's some that were kind of like in between, I was like, I'm a believer, man. I have faith in you. You're the underdog. I believe in you. So, you know, each book had gotten counseling today. I actually talked to it. I figured for as much as I had to handle these things, I'm personable with my items. I didn't have any barcodes to scan because, I don't know, Ralph's does that with all the clearance stuff. So it's hard to scan anything. So I had to do it by the cover, which doesn't give you that detailed information. But it gave me enough information to figure out and make a decision right then and there. So we are very happy with what we got today. That's the biggest haul yet on foot. We're at 12 books right now. That's probably could have gotten some more in the backpack. But man, that thing was heavy. And it started to rain, so I'm kind of glad I made it home just in time. Props to the weatherman in San Diego. You called it, man. Right at 2 almost. Yeah, shortly before. So it's supposed to be really nasty between now and 7 o'clock. And then it's going to rain all weekend. So we need the water. So that's kind of cool. But I am definitely excited about what happened today. I wasn't expecting it, but I was prepared. And I look forward to making some profits on this stuff. The lady, it was funny. The lady asked me before we go, she said, so you like to read? I'm like, no, I don't. I like to make money, actually. No, but I told her, I said, well, you know, some of them are interesting, but I just don't have the time right now to read them. I'll let someone else read them. I'll give them a better home. So anyway, that is my story for today, guys. I'm super, super excited. Going back to just going to any store and doing retail. I hope this changes it up a little bit because you see a lot of videos with Goodwill and Walmart. And, you know, I know that's fun and all, but it gets a little dry sometimes. And I'm not saying I'm here to spice it up, but I want to prove that you can go anywhere. Now, speaking of which, back some videos ago, I walked into a McDonald's and said, hey, yeah, I got the retail arbitrage and anything at McDonald's. I got 3 strawberry preservative packets on eBay right now. No one, this is just an update, no one on the face of this earth has even seen the ad, because no one is going to eBay to buy McDonald's strawberry preservatives. Now, I did go in there yesterday and I bought 2 items that I'm going to try to sell. Yeah, and see where we go with that. But I'm waiting for a particular one right now. And if you're smart enough than the average bear, you're going to know exactly what I'm referring to. So I have to buy these ones. So they're, they might do well. I don't know. But anyway, that's just an update. Thank you guys for watching. Guess what? By the way, 36 subscribers. Whoa, that's huge. Thank you, number 36. I don't know who you are. I appreciate it. But if you know who you are, take some time and comment below and say, howdy ho, neighbor. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. And I will see what I can do for the next round.